The Versatech 1100 is a bariatric bed that offers one platform with maximum versatility. The Versatech 1100 incorporates Class 3 weighing scales for accurate patient weight recordings, supporting correct and effective medication, treatment and monitoring. Available from the footboard control panel, the weight information will not be displayed automatically, helping to preserve patient dignity. Please note, to initiate any of the functions, you must simultaneously press one of the activation buttons on either side along with the function you wish to use. Before placing a patient onto the bed, ensure all the necessary equipment, pillows or linen you wish to use are in situ. Now press the activation button and the 0 button simultaneously to 0 or reset the weight. Place the patient on the bed and access the patient's weight by pressing the activation button and the scale button simultaneously. An LED will illuminate when this is activated and the weight will be shown on screen. To save the patient's weight, press the activation button and this button simultaneously. The display screen will show auto and an LED will flash when activated and stop flashing once saved. Please note the weighing scales will default to scale interval 0.5 kg, but can be toggled to 0.1 kg intervals for 5 seconds by pressing the display button and activation button together. Finally, the preferred unit of measurement can be selected by pressing the unit button and activation button simultaneously. The Versatech is unique in that it can provide additional bed exit and movement detection alarms to help with caregiver efficiency. Once a patient is on the bed, the alarms can be set in 2 different zones. Zone 1 allows for bed exit detection once pressed, illuminating a green LED to show it is active. Users will then be alerted via an audible and visual alarm when 50% or more of the patient's weight has exited the bed. Zone 2 allows for a movement detection, alerting users via an audible and visual alarm if the patient is attempting to leave the bed. When either of these alarms are active, red LEDs on the footboard will also be illuminated. To deactivate or silence either alarm, press and hold the corresponding button for 2 seconds.